Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and again I'm back with day 4 Think in English challenge. And in this video I'm going to give you an amazing task that is going to help you all to start think in English. And one more thing I would like to say, that is not going to make you to think in English, but along with that you are also going to do your speaking practice. So there are two advantages of this exercise. Trust me, it is an amazing exercise. If you are going to indulge, what you need to do, you just need to give 5 minutes. Yeah, not more than that. You just need to give 5 minutes. And one more thing, you just need to do this at least for 1 month. Yeah, at a stretch, you just need to do this for 1 month and see the difference. You are going to speak differently. You're going to see that there are thousands of ideas in your mind when it comes to describe something, and when it comes to speak in English. Trust me, this one technique is going to give you, but you should be loyal towards it. You should do this each and every day without missing even a single day, and it is going to take only 5 minutes, going to be very easier. So the first one thing here, I just want to talk about first, what is the problem that is happening nowadays in our life. As I have told you in my previous video, that in order to think in English, you just need to observe your surrounding, you just need to observe everything that you are surrounded with, you need to observe people. But yeah, sometimes we get bored with all these things and we need something different that is going to help us to get thousands of ideas in our mind. Yeah. So what is going to happen if you are struggling with ideas, and if you are fed up with your surrounding and no more you want to describe it, this one technique is going to be wonderful, very wonderful for you all. So first problem is that if you are run out of your ideas, if you are fed up with your surrounding and you want to speak something different, and you have no more ideas, you have no more flow of ideas, that what am I going to speak next? Yeah, if this particular exercise, this particular task, whatever I'm going to tell you in this video, is going to give you that result. Trust me, it's gonna give you 100% result if you are going to be very consistent towards it, and you are going to do it each and every single day without missing even a single day. That is going to help you. So what is that thing? Without wasting any further time of yours, I would like to share with you all. The thing is that you need to describe a picture. When you see a picture, you have why a picture. When you see a picture, you have flow of ideas, that there are these many things that I'm going to describe. This is happening in this picture, that is happening in this picture. So you have something different, because in our day-to-day life we are seeing our surrounding as it is. Yeah, if you are talking about our home, everything is there, all the stuff is there, but we need something different. And when you are going to see a picture, there are flow of ideas that you are going to get while seeing a picture, and you have certain ideas that how am I going to describe that picture. So maybe you are going to force yourself, you are going to put little more efforts to describe that specific picture. So the first and the foremost thing, you just need to pick one picture every single day. Take one picture image, yeah, one image every single day. Pick one image and describe. Yeah, you just need to describe that, or wo bhi in which language, you just need to describe that picture in English. Whole picture in English, you just need to describe it. There are 3 steps to follow this particular task. So first, let's get into the process. Let's get into the steps that is important to follow in order to get 100% advantages of this specific technique that I have shared you in this video, that you need to describe a picture. The first one, you just need to pick a picture. Yeah, and if you would say that from where I'm going to get a picture, go to Google. Yeah, on Google you are going to get thousands of pictures. So don't worry about that. Go to Google, pick one appropriate picture, and after picking that picture, what you need to do, for 1 minute, one entire minute, you just need to see that picture. And what you need to do, you just get ready for the next 1 minute. What is the next 1 minute? First step would be pick a picture, and the second step would be you need to watch that. You just need to watch that picture, see that picture. Sorry, not watch that picture. You just need to see that picture for one entire minute and start getting ideas. See every single angle carefully and try to get content that what you're going to speak for whole 1 minute. The next step would be you just need to speak for one entire minute over that specific picture. First, see that picture for 1 minute and try to make notes in your mind, not on pen or paper. You just don't need any pen or paper right now. If you would feel like, you can take it, but I would tell you that within 1 minute you are not going to write them down. If you're going to write them down, it is going to be a little difficult. So you need 2 or 3 minutes. Yeah, you need 2 minutes to write down, and then try to write down, and then write a script, and then speak about it. So first you just need to make sure that you are going to make few points that you're going to speak for one entire minute. After seeing that picture, see that carefully, and the next step would be you have made a notes in your mind. If you want to take pen or paper, you can just take it, but if you don't feel like, don't take it. If you would feel like, take it. That's totally depends on you. Okay, so the second step would be you just need to describe that picture for one entire minute. Yeah, constantly. Yeah, you can take certain pauses, maybe 2 or 3 second pause, but you just need to speak about it for one entire minute. If you're thinking like, okay, this picture doesn't have that much content to speak for 1 minute, maybe, yeah, 1 minute is very small thing. Yeah, we can reach the duration of 1 minute very easily. If you are not having if you don't have that much content to speak about that specific picture, think about the another aspect, that in this picture I'm not getting any kind of content to speak for 1 minute, one entire minute, so it is quite difficult for me. You just need to fill your conversation, you just need to fill your whole entire 1 minute with speaking. Yeah, you just need to speak related to that specific picture. Make sure that if you are understanding everything, describe it. If you're not understanding it, express it, that I'm not capable to describe this picture, I'm finding difficulties, this or that. You just need to complete the duration of 1 minute. Yeah, and the third step would be that you have seen the picture for one entire minute. So that's you have observed that picture in your mind. If you would find difficulties, see that picture again, and whenever you are going to get time in a day, just see that picture and describe it again. You just need to do this twice. At first you are just going to describe it, and after some time, whenever you get free time, just describe the same picture again and see the difference. At first you might not capable to speak well, but when you are going to speak the same topic, when you are going to describe the same image again, you would see some differences. Yeah, and you would see that ideas are flowing inside your mind. That is a very important thing. Each and every day I do this, but why should I lie to you all? When I used to do this a lot when I was a beginner. I used to do this a lot. Each and every day I pick one image, but I don't know what happened. After some time, I stopped doing it. And suddenly, when I came across with 7 days Think in English challenge, I started pressurizing my mind that I want to get something amazing to people that is going to help them to improve their English. And this exercise is going to be very amazing if you are going to do it respectively each and every day. If you are going to do it without missing even a single day, it has huge benefits. Once you start indulging in your day-to-day life, you're going to see that there are ideas. Yeah, their ideas are flowing inside your head when it comes to speak in English, because the more we are going to try to speak in English, the better command we are going to get over it. Yeah, here you are seeing picture, you're observing something, and at the same time you are also doing your speaking practice. Both are the things happening together, and it is going to help you to learn this language very easily. Describing a picture is going to be a great thing that you can evolve in your day-to-day life. Pick one picture every single day and describe describe about that picture and see the difference. Within a span of 1 month, you're gonna enjoy this process, and you're gonna see there are thousands of ideas flowing inside your head. The way you are going to speak everything, it is going to be very natural. You are not going to force yourself. It is going to be very different, and you are understanding it that you have several ideas in your mind to speak about specific things. Here, I would like to share with you how I'm going to describe a picture that is very important. So there is a picture on my phone screen, and you could see this picture on the side. Okay, so the first and the foremost thing, I'm just going to see this picture. Yeah, I've already seen this picture more than 1 minute. So right now, I'm just going to describe about it, whatever I'm seeing in this picture and whatever is there. So I'm going to describe about that picture. So let's get started. My 1 minute start from now. Yeah, so in front of this picture, there is a girl in the middle of this picture, and she is looking so beautiful in curly hairs. I love curly hairs, by the way. And she is wearing t-shirt. She is wearing t-shirt and jeans and shoes also. And there is something written on this board. Let's read about that thing. Stay on yellow path, no climbing. They are saying that you should stay on yellow path. You don't need to climb here and there, because they have painted so many good things. If people are going to climb there, maybe they are going to spoil the paintings. So it's very important, and the board is very nice. You should. And they have painted so many flowers, and yeah, there's a tree in orange color. Maybe it's, yeah, it seems like that. It's a tree in orange, and there are flowers. So many flowers are there, and what we say, that it seems like mountain, and in color of blue and white, but in orange color there's something behind. It seems like that it's a cave, something like that. Yeah, very beautiful art. So the same thing you need to do. You just need to describe a picture for 1 minute. Just describe like that. If you are getting ideas, speak about it. If you are not getting ideas, what you need to do, you just need to speak about it, that I'm not getting any more ideas. I'm run out of ideas. I'm just trying my level best to speak about it, to describe this picture well. So do this. Yeah, whatever you are thinking about related to this picture, you just need to speak about it for 1 entire minute, and afterwards, whenever you get time again, just describe about that picture again. This is going to be very important for you all to pick one picture each and every single day and try to describe that picture, and you are going to see the difference. It is going to be very wonderful. It is going to be very amazing. You just need to focus over describing a picture. Do not focus that you are making grammatical mistakes. Speaking is not good. You just need to be focused over speaking for 1 entire minute. That's supposed to be your first and the foremost intention behind describing a picture. And do this. Do not worry about anything. You're gonna see the result, but you need to be stick whatever you are doing. You need to be very consistent towards your work. You need to be very determinant towards whatever you are doing, and then you're gonna see the result. If you want to see some improvement, you just need to indulge in your day-to-day life. So this is going to be your day 4 task, that pick one picture and describe that picture. Pick one picture and see that picture for 1 entire minute, and after that make notes in your mind if you want, and not, you can take pen or paper also, and then you need to describe the same picture for 1 entire minute, and whenever you get free time in a day, just describe the same picture again. This is going to be the end of this video, but before end of this video, I would like to say, here I'm going to give you a homework. You do here, I'm going to put a picture on your phone screen. You could see this picture, and what you need to do, you just need to describe this picture. First see it and then describe it. So this is going to be your task, and do it with wholeheartedly. Do it, do not miss out, and do not think like that it is difficult. Give it a shot. Just try it once and see the difference. How much time it is going to take? Only 5 minutes. Yeah, give it only 5 minutes and see the difference. that you're going to learn, that you're going to feel. Yeah, that difference you're going to feel within you, and you're going to think like that, okay, right now I'm seeing certain improvement, I'm getting improvement, and it is going to give you certain confidence also, because when you do your speaking practice like this, it's gonna boost up your confidence too. Okay, so this is it for today, and be stick with this rule, and this is going to be your day fourth task. So do it immediately, give it a shot, and do it each and every day. So this is it for today. Hope you found this video very informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and share this video with your friends and family members if they are trying to learn speaking English. Trust me, this technique is going to help them to improve their English too. And just indulge this habit in your day-to-day life and see the difference. Radhe Radhe to you all. I'll see you soon with day 5 Think in English challenge. So get ready for that day.